Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see Smart TV and you want screen mirror your iPhone or Android phone in your television. So how to do it? It's very easy. First of all, I just simply scroll down of my mobile screen and see here, check screen mirroring. So here screen mirroring option is not available. So how to enable this screen mirroring option available on your TV? It's very easy. Just simply enter here in the setting. After that, just simply scroll down here the system, then go back here, and here we can see here AirPlay mode. So here Apple AirPlay and HomeKit is available. You just simply click, again click, and here AirPlay mode is off. That's why the screen mirroring is not showing in my iPhone. If I on this one, afterward I just simply tab here screen mirroring. Look at this here, Sony television is showing in my iPhone, and boom, my iPhone is displaying here. It's easy. I can just simply open here as a demo point of view. Photos, so you can very easily access the photo in your smart TV. Otherwise, you can very easily access your social media account or YouTube channel or any other Netflix, or you just simply turn it on, play this song, video or song. The video is playing here in TV. It's easy. So this is the simple process to screen mirroring and activate screen mirroring if you facing the problem in smart TV. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question related on smart TV, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.